Today I will show you how to create clipping mask in Photoshop. Go to Text tool and select the text. Adjust the text. Now drag the image. Decrease the opacity and adjust the text and image accordingly. Right-click on the image panel and click on the Create Mask. Duplicate the image layer. Go to Select and click on Subject. Click on Layer Mask. Go to Blending Options. Add the inner shadow and glow accordingly. Click on OK button. Your effect is ready now. I hope you like this video. Do like, share, and subscribe.